morning. We're here to do a awning cleaning here at Panera Bread. Lots of bird droppings on the awnings. And we're gonna go ahead and pre-treat some of it, as you can see right here. Already done. So we'll get started on this and show you the results as things get underway. It's about 6:50 in the morning. So we'll get started on this. Anyway, this is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service from the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Bye-bye now. Well, it's looking really good now. I think we've got it pretty well cleaned. It's a good vinyl awning. It should be cleaned at least every 6 months, probably every 3 months with all the bird activity here. Well, this is Wayne with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service, signing off. Thanks for viewing the video, and as always, have a great day. Bye-bye now. Well, here it is, all completed, nice and shiny. An awning that's properly cleaned and some vinyl protectorant really shines, almost looks brand new. The birds really have a field day here because of the lights. They like to sit on the lights and do their business. So that's the story here. Probably the worst part of this job was the working around the obstacles, trees, bushes, shrubs, chairs, umbrellas. But there it is, another beautiful job done by Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service here in the Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas Metroplex. Y'all have a great day and thanks for viewing the video. Take care now. Bye-bye.